conservationist and Princess of Wales, married to Charles, Prince of Wales, and I'm saving the rainforest, save the frogs, save all those animals because they're dying every day, you know, in the rainforest, and if we don't do something soon, we're running out of time, you know, and Charles is not getting any younger. We are running out of time. I don't know if you understand. Oh, bloody bee, frightening of that bee. Well, you know, you see that I am reformed. I have no cigarette in one hand, no drinky poo in the other. Oh, well, I don't know what to do with my hands, but just to tell you that we're running out of time and it's very important. Oh, could you just buzz off with that thing? You know, I got stung once. Yes, a bee bit me in the arse when I was shagging outside in the woods with Charles, but never mind, just buzz off. Oh yes, you know, this is not alcohol. I just want you to know that. It is my detox tincture, and I need alcohol because it absorbs the detox. But you need to, oh, can I have something? You need to know that every day things die in the rainforest, you know. Every day. Things die every day in the rainforest. That's why we're running out of time. Yeah. Because I'm going to get a memo to that bloody old woman to say things do die, you know, every day they die in the rainforest. We're running out of time. We've got to protect all the frogs and the beetles and, what's it, Queen, you know, just a joke from one queen to another. She knows I'm joking with her. Well, bloody hell, I keep thinking I'm going to get stung again. Buzz off with it. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. This is Camilla, conservationist and Princess of Wales. Up yours.